Berkeley and Buddy on a walk in Golden Gardens Park. Doing a walk before we go into the dog park, so get some energy out, some leash work. And the park is awesome. There's a dog running around. Come, guys.